Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this stunning black and white and colorized video effect in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I just closing this page, going back to the main page of the Canva, go into the videos and just choosing the standard video Canva, and just reducing the size a bit, go into the elements, and actually this is the hardest part of this effect, to find a video which is works well with this effect. The problem is actually the background removing. Canva is not a professional video editing tool, so this background removing part of the video was not the perfect one. Actually, for this video is working really well, but first I tried to use this and was not that nice due to, I can even show you. So if I just removing the background of this video, you can see not only the car, you can see also like the bars, also this yellow paintings on the bars. So that's not so nice, not working well with this thing what I would like to show. So I'm just increasing the size of this video first to fit the page, the whole Canva. So second, I just have to duplicate it and go into the background remover. So I just have the girl on a video only, and going back to the original one and go into the edit, adjust, and I just have to move the saturation to -100. So having this black and white picture, even video. Maybe we can play with the shadow to reduce a bit. Also, maybe with the brightness or contrast or what you want, or also maybe a bit we use this vignette function a bit. And if I click on the wrong one, so I just now clicked on the second video where I remove the background and just insert into the same place. As you can see, as I mentioned yesterday on my previous tutorial, now that's working perfect. So if you see the two videos that not moving together and you see some latency or some lags, that's you do not have to worry, due to this is just in the online editing stuff. When you're downloading it, that will be perfectly match on your download. So I just have to download this video. I'm going to download, and for example, when I'm editing my YouTube videos, I always increasing the quality to 4K and just downloading it, and just have to wait until this video will be downloaded. So the video is downloaded. I just have to open again a new Canva page just to show how can we use it, not to the social media, video. Again, go into the video. So I just have to go to the uploads and just have to upload the video. It's already doing it. And now I just go into the elements. I just wait until this will be uploaded, and searching for the mockups. First, I would like to try something. I don't know, is it okay, not working from here. Here I just anyhow, I can try this also, or not even computers, outdoor or graphics. I just have to search some nice thing. Maybe the frame will be not perfectly matched. This is a problem sometimes. I just tried this, but this is not a video mockup, I think, and I cannot use video with it here, but at least we try it. So I just try to, as you can see, I cannot drop it inside. Okay, so is it not working? I just go into the frames and devices. Maybe I think devices, no other things here, no. So I have to use devices, and I can choose a laptop or a, yeah, I'm just choosing a laptop, increasing a bit to have it here. And now I'm going to the uploads, and now of course it works, but okay, changing the background to a gradient, and maybe we can put some text. Black and red. Just try to find some nice ideas. I did put this here, and even make it even more funnier. The black will be red, of course, and the red will be black. Why not? Sounds more funny. And I have to find a nice font for it, due to this is of course not a nice, this is a bit too much. Horizon. So now I just try to find something fancy. No, this is not what I want. This is not really looking good. Okay, keep it like this. That's really good. Just increasing the size. Okay. Increasing to have the same size as the laptop. So now you can, of course, you can put a logo somewhere and some text, black and red fashion or something like this. This is just a quick example. So here is the final result. As you can see, it's perfectly, the two videos are perfectly matched on each other. So work together, the black and white background with the second video, which has a color, but the background is removed. So that was the final result. And now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it and really enjoyed it. And if you really like it, please don't forget to click on this small like button and subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next tutorial. Ciao.